I'm going to quickly show you how to delete or deactivate your Facebook business page. First, make sure to switch over to the page that you want to delete. You don't want to be accidentally deleting the wrong page if you have multiple. Once you confirm that you are on the correct page, click on the name and it should bring you to the page. You should now see a Manage Page menu on the left-hand side. If you don't see that menu, click on this Show Menu button and you should be seeing it now. In the menu, click on Settings. Once you are in Settings, scroll a bit and you should see the section labeled Your Information. Click on Access and Control under Your Information. Now on this page, you can either deactivate your page or you could delete the page. The main difference is that deactivation can be temporary and deleting is permanent after 30 days and cannot be reverted. In this case, I'm going to delete this page. In this step, you have the option to download and transfer any information and content that you might want to keep. In this example, I'm not going to be saving anything. Now type in your password to confirm the deletion. Click on Continue. And now, your page should be deleted. You'll have 30 days to undo the delete if you need to undo it for whatever reason. After that, the deletion is permanent and cannot be reverted. Drop a like if you found my help useful. Thanks for watching.